para tong hindi na 20.
Hello and welcome to From Joyce. Today, papunta tayo sa Playa Montana, a beach hotel in Barangay Pagkilatan, Batangas City. It was a 3-hour drive from our house, passing through SLEX and Star Tollway. Medyo lumakas ang ulan nung nasa SLEX kami. For now, enjoy the views as we arrive.
In 300 meters, turn left on 439 Vegas.
Dito na tayo.
Tara, Mix.
Playa Montana Beach Hotel. This is what the lobby looks like. Welcome to Playa Montana. Nandito tayo ngayon for an overnight stay kasi syempre i-celebrate natin yung pagiging magna cum laude at saka yung bago si Kuya pumasok sa clerical duty niya by June 15 onwards. So, tingnan natin, this is new to us kasi last time nandun kami sa Mabini, Anilao area. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Batangas City. I think, nandito naman yung address niya, guys. Tingnan nyo natin dito yung address niya. And mamaya, tingnan natin yung room tour. So, stay with us. Here are the room rates. Let's now go to our room. We booked their suite room na pwede for a maximum of 5 people. You'll see later na spacious siya. And ang ganda ng view. Suite good for 5, pero 4 lang ako. We booked this suite, which is good for 5 people, para maluwag, pero 4 lang talaga kami. And the view is so nice. Look. Ayan. Okay, we booked for 1 night, pero kung gusto nating mag-extend hanggang 4 PM daw, mag-decide tayo. We can talk to them. Lunchtime! They have a good restaurant dito sa loob ng resort. Here's the menu. With the good food comes a great view. Tingnan nyo, oh! At this point, medyo inantok kami after eating, so we went back to our room para umidlip. Swim kami afterwards. Nighttime, ito hitsura dito at 6 PM. Hi guys! Nagpahinga kami saglit this afternoon and because the beach is really inviting, we tried it out. Unfortunately, hanggang 6 PM lang siya but we really enjoy. So ngayon, dito na tayo pwede hanggang 9 PM sa swimming pool. Bukas na ulit kami sa beach with the morning sun. By the way, this pool is also salt water. Yung sa left, pambata siya 2 feet. Yung dito sa area na to, 4 feet. Kaya safe na safe. Sa height ko na 5'4", eto na. Ito lang. Ayan, saka okay din yung mga ilaw niya, actually. Ayan, salt water to guys, huwag kayong mag-expect na siya ay katulad sa ordinary pool na matabang. Doon medyo mabato. Kaya by the way, kailangan ng aqua shoes. Huwag niyo kalimutan ng aqua shoes. Saka kung gusto niyo makapag-capture sa ilalim, kasi ang ganda ng ilalim dun sa batuhan, huwag niyo kalimutan magdala ng pouch ng camera na hindi siya mapapasok ng tubig. And another thing, pwede kang magdala ng goggles at saka yung snorkel. Mag-enjoy ka talaga. Okay. So, kung yun, syempre, meron actually dyang parang bamboo raft. Pero malalim na yung area na yun. So, kung magaling ka lumangoy, you can go there. But you can go there as well wearing your vest. So, nakaka-enjoy guys. So, ito na yung ambience kapag gabi. By the way, if you're asking sa ng dinner, aakyat ka dyan, nandyan yung kanilang restaurant. Okay, enjoy muna tayo hanggang 9 PM this evening. After dinner, we did some more swimming and walking. Then, bumalik na sa hotel room para magpahinga.
Kamusta ang ating bridge swing?
Bridge swing, makapitan. Hi guys! It's second day already and we're gonna go down for breakfast. Meron tayong 5 stubs kasi yung room ay good for 5. Nakalagay dito 7 AM to 9 AM only. So hindi tayo dapat lumampas doon. So after breakfast, pupunta tayo sa walkway na yon and then try namin uli ang beach in the morning. Kasi hapon na syempre. Ngayon, morning beach tayo. See ya! Tara, libot uli tayo. Let's now swim at the beach.
Okay. Ayan.
Kuya! is one of their saltwater pools. Tingnan nyo, oh, maganda rin ang view. Very relaxing. Bye-bye!
Tayo na punta natin Migtan, wala yung mainit na ngayon sa araw.
Ganyan din ako rin.
Ano? Ano yung ganda ka lang sa
And that's it for this getaway at Playa Montaña here in Batangas City. See you in the next video.
Bye!